Steel carries the progress of human industrial civilization. High-speed wire rod and bar rolling are the backbone of China's infrastructure miracle. They are the lifeblood of industrial manufacturing. For more than 3 decades, GOYO has been dedicated to advancing high-speed bar and wire rod production, making it more efficient, sustainable, and intelligent. Today, we stand as a pioneer in China's bar and wire rod process equipment manufacturing. To meet the steel industry's demand for efficiency, low consumption, environmental responsibility, and smart manufacturing, GOYO leverages China's integrated industrial and supply chain advantages. With outstanding technical expertise, we deliver turnkey EPC projects for new high-speed bar and wire rod lines, offering the best price, highest quality, and maximum efficiency. Our production lines serve not only standard construction steel, but also the demanding requirements of high-grade and specialty steels. Since 1994, GOYO has consistently pushed the limits of rolling capacity, speed, entry temperature, and product precision. We pioneered high-speed twin module blocks, reducing and sizing mills, flying shears, intelligent pinch rolls, and laying heads. With rolling speeds exceeding 120 meters per second, we have become the partner of choice for equipment upgrades and modernization. GOYO has supplied spare parts and maintenance services for nearly 300 imported and domestic high-speed wire rod finishing lines in China. Our business has expanded across Asia, Africa, and Europe. With strong compatibility with mainstream equipment worldwide, our solutions help customers significantly reduce maintenance costs. Driven by digital empowerment and AI plus innovation, GOYO is unlocking new industrial productivity. Our digital twin intelligent O&M system creates a real-time digital mirror of production lines, diagnosing faults, simulating scenarios, predicting equipment lifespan, and guiding maintenance decisions. This minimizes downtime, reduces spare parts inventory, and improves efficiency, accelerating the construction of smart factories for steel enterprises. GOYO is not just a Chinese equipment manufacturer. We are a global service provider for the full life cycle and lean production of high-speed bar and wire rod lines. With reliable performance, on-time delivery, and intelligent services, we have earned the trust of customers worldwide. GOYO, setting a green benchmark through innovation and sharing the future of intelligent manufacturing with the world.